Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while since our last upload. Since the summer heat is getting intense, we decided to make fruit salad. Yummers! To make this, you will be needing fruit cocktail, shredded coconut meat, nata de coco, corn, cube cheese, 2 cans of Nestlé Cream, and 1 large can of condensed milk. Let's get started. First off, mix together the Nestlé Cream and condensed milk until smooth and creamy. Then, set aside. In a separate bowl, put in the coconut meat, fruit cocktail, nata de coco, corn, and cheese cubes. Pour the Nestlé Cream, condensed milk mixture over. Gently fold until all ingredients are well distributed. Cover with cling wrap and refrigerate overnight. Remove from the fridge and transfer to a serving bowl. Enjoy! It feels festive whenever we have this for dessert. Let us know what you'd like to see next. Until the next one.